The Shapes That Made a Village by Saida Sabiha. Once upon a time, in a magical land called Shapeville, there lived many shapes. There were circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and even shiny stars. Each shape was unique, and they all had special talents. One sunny morning, Mayor Circle called a meeting in the village square. "We have a big job," he announced. "We need to build a new playground for all the shapes to play together. But we'll need everyone's help." The shapes cheered and got to work. The circles roll and the circles were the first to arrive. They loved to roll, spin, and play. "We can make the swings and merry-go-round," said Curly the circle. She and her circle friends rolled around, creating smooth and round swings and slides. "That's great," said Mayor Circle. "But we still need a sturdy base for the playground." The squares help out. Next came the squares with their flat sides and strong corners. "We can build the base," said Squarey. The squares stacked neatly on top of each other, making a strong and steady foundation for the playground. "Perfect," said Curly. "The swings and slides will sit nicely on top." "Triangles make it strong." The triangles came marching in next. "We're great at making strong roofs and supports," said Trixie the triangle. The triangles worked together to make roofs for the playhouses and supports for the climbing walls. They added pointy peaks that made everything look fancy. "What would we do without you, triangles?" said Squarey. "Rectangles bring the fun." Then the rectangles joined in. "We're long and flat. We can make the seesaws and balance beams," said Ricky the rectangle. The rectangles stretched out, creating fun seesaws and sturdy planks for balancing games. "This is looking amazing," said Trixie. "But it feels like something is missing." Stars add the magic. Just then, the stars twinkled down from the sky. "We'll decorate the playground," said Shiny the star. The stars hung themselves on the rooftops and swings, adding sparkle and magic to the whole playground. "Now it's perfect," said Mayor Circle. The grand opening. When the playground was finished, all the shapes gathered to admire their work. There were round swings, sturdy bases, pointy rooftops, long seesaws, and glittering stars everywhere. Mayor Circle smiled. "Look at what we've built together. Every shape is special, and when we work as a team, we can create something amazing." The shapes cheered, and from that day on, they played together every day, rolling, stacking, balancing, and sparkling in their brand new playground. The shapes' big lesson. The shapes learned something important that day. Circles roll and spin. Squares stack and build. Triangles make things strong. Rectangles stretch and balance. Stars make everything magical. Together, they were better and stronger because each shape was unique and special. The end.